Okay, yesterday we started to set up our blogs, and today I want to show you how to get back into your blogs. So you're going to start by going to mrsj.org and going into English 10. And as I told you yesterday, you need to make sure that you scroll to where you see blogs and that you're not going to get any drop downs. So to get back in there, you just go ahead and click on the tab itself. After you are in that section, yesterday to sign up, we clicked on this green button called Here. We're going to go ahead and click on that again, and that's going to take us to Weebly. But this time, instead of signing up, we're going to go up here in the corner where it says Login. We're going to go ahead and click the Login button. You're going to go ahead and put in your username, which is your email address, and then you're going to type in your password, and you're going to click Login. When it logs you in, you're going to see something that kind of looks a little unfamiliar, and this is called the dashboard. And this dashboard includes all the sites. Now, if you look at me, I have a lot more than one site, but I also have a blog started. You're going to see one blog started for yourself, and to work on that blog today, you are going to hit the Edit button. The Edit button is going to take you into what you recognize from yesterday. In other words, you're going to see your actual website and everything that you've been doing to it. Don't forget that when you're in here, you can go to the Design tab and you can change your theme again if you don't like the way it looks. You can go ahead and change your fonts around, and you can change your headline, your subheadline font, all the different fonts, and you're going to want to get it to look the way you want it to look. Also, under the Build tab, you're going to look around the blog and see if there's anything you need to add. For instance, if you didn't add anything about yourself under the author section, you should get rid of what's there and say a few things about yourself. You may also want to scroll up, and if you didn't do so yesterday, click on the title and change it to something you actually want. If you don't want the actual title showing, you may choose to have created your own logo, in which you can upload an image if you so choose, or you can go ahead and keep the title that you had. Either way, when you're all done after today working on this, I just want to remind you of how to keep your work. You don't want to lose your work, and that is to go ahead to the Publish button. But before I do that, I actually forgot one thing, and that is you want to be able to set up your blog for how it's going to look on somebody's cell phone. For instance, over here is a mobile view. If you click that mobile view, okay, you're going to be able to customize, let's go. You're going to be able to customize how this is going to look on somebody's cell phone. So here you get a mock example of how it's going to look on somebody's cell phone. And what you can do is you can click to move things around and change how it's going to look. When you're done with that, you'll be able to save it. Sorry, I messed up there. When you're done with it, you'll be able to save it. And when you're done messing around with that, you're going to go back here and you're going to click the Publish button. It is very important that you hit Publish every time, that you are completely done at the end of your working session, or you will lose everything. It'll tell you your website's published by giving you your link. If you want to see how it looks, if you click the link, it's going to open a new tab and it's going to bring up your blog, and you're going to be able to see how it looks to your audience. You'll close out of that, close out of the window after you've hit Publish. In the far upper right hand corner, you're going to see the 3 slashes. If you click here, you're going to hit Exit Editor. After it logs you out of the editor, then you're going to be back to the dashboard that you were originally in, and you're going to make sure that you hit this Log Out button. After you hit Log Out, it's going to take a moment, and it'll tell you you've been officially logged out, in which case you can then close your tabs and shut down your computer. I can't wait to see all the blogs you've designed and to get started with blogging. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow.